F1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1 both were reading lean. So that could either be
F-150, that's usually intake manifold.
Yeah, so it could either be a vacuum leak or something wrong with the mass airflow sensor, but I thought it would be interesting if you guys would actually like to see live data on a vehicle like that, you know, an OBD2 system where you can actually check it and see what's going on. Because when you're checking the spark plugs, those things you stick in the exhaust. O2 sensors, the thing you stick in the exhaust.
Well, hold on here.
Careful.
I really love the car. And they were switching. So it's like trying to, you know, when they try to diagnose it, the check engine light is not on, so it's not past, I think it's 20-25% off before it'll trigger the light.
And yours is what, about 10 if I remember right?
Yeah, it's not off very much. And then we were checking the long-term and short-term fuel trims. So it is running a little bit lean, which, you know, the truck has 228,000 miles on it, so.
Wow, it does.
Yeah.
I think it's fabulous.
Andre painted it, so that's why.
Thanks!
That's why it looks like it has 8 miles on it.
It looks great. Yeah.
You just picked that up on the way in.
Yeah. 20 years ago. But, so I figured it would be a neat idea just to, so you can all see what happens when you actually take your car and really what they're supposed to do when you take your car. Instead of just going, oh yeah, it needs this, just because the code's there. I mean, how many times we've worked, you know, at several, like, AutoZone, Advance Auto, Napa, O'Reilly's, Pep Girls, you know, oh, you check your service engine soon, like, or whatever, for free, and it's like, okay, well, here's the code. Oh, so I need that. No, that doesn't mean that you need a sensor. It means that's where you need to start looking. This is a direction, you know. And when you get these big fancy scanners, like when he brought his in, you know, you can actually check the live data and say, okay, this is not going on, because what my truck was doing is it's 5.4 liter, and I was looking at the amount of air going through the mass airflow sensor, and I was a little high at like 7.65, and generally it's supposed to be anywhere from like, I think 4.9 to like 5.9, because it kind of correlates with your engine size. So if you have a 2 liter 4, you should be putting out like 1.8 to maybe 2.5 at the most grams per second of air coming in, and I was high. So that means, yeah.
Not on drugs, people. Not on drugs.
No, I'm high on life.
Sure.
That's no fun.
Yeah, I know.
You're just trying it out.
So I just thought it would be interesting. I cleaned the mass airflow sensor with actual mass airflow sensor cleaner, and it actually came back down to normal range.
Oh, yeah, it would be self-explanatory.
So,
Exactly.
I just thought it would be neat.
Yeah, cool.
You know, we
Yeah,
wanted
for
to
sure.
hook it up and
Yeah.
because we did.
I've done it on one of my skills. And I don't know.
What's her face? Mercedes.
Debs.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Brain fart. And that shows a lot more. Being
Andre,
a
can
newer
you
vehicle
can
than-
you not suck on camera while you talk?
I had to say it.
He's from New York.
Have you
We
seen
talk with our hands.
Have
It's
you
just
seen my
what we
Twitter
do.
page?
No,
Okay, well,
thankfully.
Did you adult
We can-
entertainment? So
We can put it on a link right here if you want.
go to my.
Are you getting residuals?
Well, that would get him leads.
I don't own the content. When
Doesn't matter. You still can get residuals.
No.
You know, residuals here.
It's only if you don't do it right.
Was that a new one?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, God. Okay, so let's go scan the car already.
Let's go outside. What do you mean? Let's go outside.
Just for a couple minutes,
My lord.
Peter. And then we'll be in here where it's nice. Here's like, damn it. Oh, Luna moved.
Oh, we can do it.
Hey, it'll smoke up the place.
You want-
But it's gotta be running.
Yeah.
Let's just do it.
Yeah.
Let's just go outside.
Outside is good.
We can wave it.